In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Claude AI conversation. By the end, you will know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get a copy of your data in a clean, downloadable format. Start on a desktop browser and head to Claude.ai. The export feature is designed for desktop, so this is the most reliable way to access it. Once the site loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon or your initials there. Click that to open your account options. This is where Claude's settings live, and it's the quickest path to your privacy controls. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. Inside Settings, navigate to the Privacy section. This is where Claude groups tools related to your personal data, including access and export options. It's intentionally separated from general preferences so you can manage your information with clarity. In the Privacy area, find and click Export Data. This tells Claude to prepare a copy of your account data for you to download. Don't worry if nothing downloads immediately. Exporting isn't instant. Claude packages your information securely and sends a link to your email once the files are ready. Depending on how much you've used the product, this can take a little time. Next, check your email for a message from Anthropic with your export link. If you don't see it after a short while, take a quick look in your spam or promotions folders, just in case your inbox filtered it. The email provides a secure link to download a zip file containing your data. When you download and open that zip, you'll find JSON files. JSON is a structured text format commonly used for data. You can open it with a basic text editor to browse the contents, or import it into tools that support JSON if you want to do more advanced filtering or analysis. A couple of helpful notes as you wrap up. The export includes conversation data, which may contain sensitive content you've typed, so store the zip and its contents in a secure location. If you plan to share anything, review the files first and redact anything private. Also, download the export promptly. Links like this sometimes have expiration windows for security. That's the full process. Thanks for watching.